Imagine you're scrolling through your social media feed and you come across an ad for a sleek, modern banking app called Vivid Money. Intrigued, you click on the ad and learn about its unique features, personalized cards, budgeting tools, and investment options. But one question keeps popping up in your mind: who is the mastermind behind this innovative financial platform? Today, we're diving deep into the story of the founder of Vivid Money. The early years. Meet Artem Kozevnikov, a young entrepreneur with a passion for technology and a vision for a better banking experience. Growing up in Russia, Artem was fascinated by the potential of technology to transform everyday life. He saw firsthand the challenges people faced with traditional banking systems, from long lines to complex fees. Driven by his desire to create a more accessible and user-friendly financial solution, Artem began exploring the possibilities of building a digital bank. The idea takes shape. In 2017, Artem and his team started working on Vivid Money. Their goal was to create a banking app that was not only functional but also enjoyable to use. They focused on building a platform that would empower users to take control of their finances through personalized features, intuitive design, and a focus on transparency. Vivid Money quickly gained traction, attracting a growing customer base and positive reviews. The founder's impact. Artem's leadership and vision have been instrumental in Vivid Money's success. His commitment to innovation has led to the development of new features and partnerships, expanding the app's capabilities and reaching a wider audience. Under Artem's guidance, Vivid Money has become a leading player in the fintech industry, challenging traditional banking norms and offering a fresh perspective on personal finance. The future of Vivid Money. As Vivid Money continues to grow, Artem remains focused on his mission to provide a better banking experience. He envisions a future where the app can be used for a variety of financial needs, from everyday transactions to long-term savings and investments. With Artem at the helm, Vivid Money is poised to become a major force in the financial technology landscape. So, there you have it. The founder of Vivid Money is Artem Kozevnikov, a visionary entrepreneur who has revolutionized the way we think about banking. His passion for technology, combined with his commitment to providing a better user experience, has led to the creation of a groundbreaking financial platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.